what is happening? I hope everyone is having a good time and excited for the weekend. Hopefully going to get some rest and see some friends or some family, do something nice, or at least get out of the sun somehow. Still hot. I know I said I was hot yesterday. I'm still hot today. So you get frizzy hair and semi-naked version of me because, you know, who needs clothes when it is this warm? But what I thought I would do is just show you another unboxing. It's that time of the month, so I thought I'd bring you something for your time of the month. Did you see how I did that? Did you like that link? It's Pink Parcel. So before you join me to find out what is inside July's box, it'd be awesome if you could give me a big thumbs up. Let me know you enjoyed the video. After you finish, it'd be awesome if you could share it. I'd love it if you could subscribe to my channel, and I have still got a giveaway going on. If you check out another video on my channel, it involves being subscribed, so you may as well get on with it now. And of course you can ring that notification bell so you never miss an upload. Alright, let's get into the video. For new subscribers, Pink Parcel is $12.99 a month. There is a discount code which I will pop on screen, and that will get you £3 off your first box. And it pretty much always looks like this. Inside, every month you get a little bag like this, which has whatever you've chosen. It can have pads or tampons or a mixture of both. I'm not having periods at the moment, so I am just getting a mixture so that I can donate them to a food bank at my mum's church. But this little bag they come in is very handy, because how many times have you put a tampon or a pad in your bag and then the plastic's ripped open and it gets all contaminated? So thank you very much, Pink Parcel. You get another box of items for later, and then you get some night pads for night, which are heavier. But what we all care about is this, the For You box. So that is what we're going to look at. What paper I've got in here. Pink Parcel, I've got a Pink Parcel beauty shop type thing, and you can buy all kinds of, everything you can kind of get in this box, I think you can buy in there. And there's free delivery. So that sounds good. So you might want to check out the Pink Parcel shop. And this is our leaflet about this month. And this month it's the Glow Edit. Oh, nice. Nothing screams summer like fresh face, glowing skin. So to celebrate the arrival of our favourite season, we've put together this month's Glow Edit. Barefaced beauties can rejoice, as summer is the perfect time to free your pores and opt for lighter coverage. And definitely, if you are oily or sweaty headed like me, you won't be wearing any makeup on your face because it just falls off. This parcel, worth over £75, has everything you need. £75? Has everything you need to achieve a clear and glowing complexion naturally. And we know that hot summer nights mean things can get messy, so we've included blah blah blah. Now all that's left is to get out there and enjoy the sunshine. Just remember to wear SPF. For £75, and that probably isn't including the tampons and pads. It is really such a good value box, honestly. Right, let's open up this little baby, see what we can see. Shall we make it 2 videos in a row where I don't drop anything? I'm tempting fate now by lifting it up. Still didn't drop anything. I'm feeling so proud of myself. What is this on top? Joe and Seth's popcorn with caramel and Belgian chocolate. Yes, one I can actually eat. Because last time I got some of this stuff, it was salted caramel, which you know I don't like. Classic caramel. If you don't love this popcorn, I'll eat my hats, it says. Suitable for vegetarians, no artificial flavourings, colours or preservatives. It's gluten free. And there's 40 more flavours online apparently. Less than 85 calories. That's nice. Yeah, 81 calories. 81 calories in this little bag. Wow. Okay, I'm going to enjoy that in a bit. Now, this is an old favourite, Magn Wipeout cloth. This is my 3rd one of these, I think. I have put some of them towards my giveaway box, but actually I might hang on to this one. I have got a video on this which I will link in the description box, but I do think these are good. I like them. You get them wet and then you clean your makeup off without any makeup remover. So they're just a pink fuzzy furry cloth like this, and you wouldn't think it works, but they do, as you'll see in my video. I think that's all I know. I don't think there's much else to say about these. They're good because they're reusable. You can put them in the, I was going to say microwave? No, washing machine to clean them. Oh dear me. I think the sun's gone to my head and I haven't even been in it. This innovative beauty buy is eco-friendly and removes even eye makeup with water alone. Okay, now I've got a pineapple for a head. Shall we continue? Okay, what is next? Let's do the tea bag from We Are Tea Superberry Infusion Tea. Oh, that sounds nice. Whole leaf tea made simple. Packed full of berries, this infusion tastes as good as it looks. Bright and beautiful with a superb fruity flavour. It is extremely refreshing, a very fruity little number. Our whole leaf biodegradable tea bags allow the tea leaves to dance and release their goodness, resulting in the perfect balance of quality and convenience. It's got red berries, hibiscus, rosehip, apple pieces and orange peels. And it's part of the Ethical Tea Partnership. Happy to give that a try. Bursting with health boosting antioxidants from red berries and blah blah blah. This fruity cuppa is the perfect concoction to get you glowing from the inside. Oh, it says there's always a quote. I should have read the quote at the beginning. Be proud of what your body achieves and be patient with it when it struggles. And that is from a book called A User's Guide to the Vagina. Sometimes I think with my body I don't have a choice but to be patient with it when it struggles. But that is true. Give yourself a break, everyone. That's what it's saying. Right, what have we got next? This from Mud Masky. Sleep, Repair, Renewal, Nourishing Mask. pH balance, repairing, hydrating, rejuvenating, smoothing and protecting. It's a 15ml sample. And you just put this onto a clean face basically and leave it overnight. It's not tested on animals, it's paraben free, it's natural ingredients. For a minimum of 5 hours, a maximum of 10 hours, you put this on your face. I have tried it before. I think I've probably got a video on it, which if I have, I'll try and link it below. I like it. I think it works. It left my face feeling very soft and like well nourished, I guess. And I do like things that I can put on my face and leave overnight. It does sink in very quickly. It's just like, it's almost like putting on a moisturiser, and you can slightly see it on your skin, but then it dries. It doesn't leave a mess on your pillow or anything like that because it will sink into your face really quickly. So yeah, it's quite nice to get a bit more of that because I like it. The pH formula contains kaolin clay, rose water and shea butter to reveal brighter, revitalised skin. And it's £60 for 60ml, so this is £15. 15ml. Look at this. Look at this tiny little thing. £15. Wow. Like, it's as long as one of my fingers. That's the size of it. Oh, Balance Me Flash Cleanse Micellar Water. I do have some of this. I am actually using it at the moment. See? Right here in front of me. Using it. Getting through it for the first time in ages. I think it's alright. The smell is quite strong, but I do think it works. My skin does feel clean, fresh and tightened up a little bit every time I use it. Yeah, it's not the most amazing smell. What does it say? A chamomile infused cleansing water with natural peptides to boost hydration and radiance with a super cotton pad. It's non-dry, no rinse formula. It's designed to refresh and soothe skin with ease. Oh dear. And I do think that's true. I don't find it dries out my skin. My skin does feel nice after I've used it. Just a bit tighter and clean. And oh, one thing with this. You don't need as much as you think. So you might put it on your cotton pad and think, oh, that doesn't look much. It's not spreading out. But when you like actually put the cotton pad on your face and squeeze it and stuff, it kind of bubbles up. It's not like a foam. But if I dab it on 4 times around my cotton pad will be saturated by the time I've actually like just wiped it on my face. So I always have to remind myself of this. Actually, maybe I need 2 dabs of it, not 4. Because it will be enough to cover the whole pad quite easily. So less is more with this. That's what I have to say about that. It says apply 2 pumps to a cotton pad. Well, how can you apply 2 pumps when this is a little bottle that doesn't have a pump action? Why not just say what I said? Less is more. With hyaluronic acid to brighten skin and keep moisture locked in, plus nourishing neroli oil, this is so much more than just a cleanser. Okay, what else have we got? Oh, something else from Mud Masky. Facial Detox Purifying Recovery Mask. Pore refining, hydrating, anti-aging, brightening and smoothing. Okay. Kind of weird to get 2 masks in the same thing. This is also worth £15 for a teeny tiny mask. So we know it's not got animals testing. We know it's not got parabens. We know it's natural. This one you leave on for 7 to 11 minutes and there'll be a slight tingling. 11 minutes for oily skin, remove it with cold water. Okay, never tried this, so that'll be interesting. I'm not sure how some people might feel about getting 2 masks in one box. One is repairing, hydrating, rejuvenating, smoothing, protecting, and the other one is purifying, hydrating, anti-aging, brightening, smoothing. I'd almost say this is a night mask and this is a day mask. I mean, obviously this is a night mask because it's a sleep mask and you're supposed to use it overnight, so duh. And this is a mask perhaps that with the pore tightening and brightening and smoothing, it would be a good one for the daytime before you put your makeup on or before you go out, to make your skin as beautiful as it can be. So maybe that's what we're doing here, day and night versions of our face. I wasn't expecting it to be that colour. I don't know if you can see that, it's like a khaki green. It smells alright. I will probably be giving this a go tonight. Oh, or will I? I don't know. Tomorrow. There's another mask I wanted to try tomorrow as well. I don't know, so many masks, so little time. I don't know. I will try it out and I will let you know. Maybe I'll do a mini review on Instagram TV or something like that. But yeah, I am pleased because I like masks, so I don't mind. I will happily do a mask a day, sometimes 2. 1 sheet mask and 1 other kind. I'm mask greedy. This one says, enriched with Japanese matcha and antioxidant packed elderberry, this multitasking mask is a real glow getter. Last item, guys. Sad times. Oh, this is from, they have such weird packaging, Jelly Pong Pong. I like the products, but weird packaging. Like good packaging, but hard to read because some stuff is sideways and then some stuff is that way. That's what I mean. The last thing I had from them was a red like crayon lipstick, which I love. So I'm very into having more of their stuff. So this is Star Drops Light Activated Glow Drops. You what? Vegetable derived. Okay, it's cruelty free. Vegan with starfruit extract and argan oil. No mineral oil, no parabens, no phthalates. Hypoallergenic, non-comedogenic. Bask in the blinding light of this gilded glow drop squeezed out of the stars. Enchant your liquid foundation and creams by adding just a few drops of this magical concentrated star elixir, transforming them into a multifunctional product that imparts a sensual golden beam that flatters all skin tones. Use alone to instantly and seamlessly light up your complexion with warm, star-infused radiance. Formulated with starfruit extract and golden argan oil to help provide long-lasting hydration and a boost of solar radiance. So mix it into your foundations, facial oils or creams to add an intense golden sizzle. 1 to 3 drops for moderate colour, 3+ for a deeper colour effect. Use alone on cheekbones, brow bones, cupid's bow and tip of the nose for ultimate sheen and highlight. Wow, okay. Oh wow. So it's not that runny, which is probably good. It's very bright. Like, very bright. But that looks nice. The light's not making it as nice as it could be, but like in real life that is just a really nice golden sheen. You know, the kind of thing you could like put on your shoulders and be like, oh yeah, I'm so golden and shiny. Do you know what I mean? Like, oh look how extra sun-kissed I am here. Here I'm just regular, not sun-kissed. Here I'm just so sun-kissed and glorious. Do you know what I mean? Am I being a bit weird? I know they didn't say it's for shoulders, but hey, makeup is for experimenting with, right? Oh, look at that. Definitely golden and shiny. Not golden or shiny. Golden and shiny. So we have our regular side of our face and oh, there we are. We're lit. Regular, lit. What do you think? Is it too much? I think it's okay because if I look dead ahead, I don't really feel like I can see it apart from my nose. But then, bam, there we are. We are shining. It's beautiful. Sinks into my skin well. Yeah, I quite like that. I always need to put it on my cupid's bow first because otherwise it just looks ridiculous like that. Who do I think I am? Midas. Yeah, even on my like no makeup skin, that still looks nice and I like it so much on the shoulder. I think I might definitely do that tomorrow actually when I go out. If I'm wearing a strapless top, I'm just going to put a little bit on like that because it just makes me feel like I'm enjoying myself and I'm super brown and sexy. My Hair Mountain pineapple thing fell down and now I have this little stub. I apologise. I know this isn't me looking at my best. Anyway, what was I saying? Oh yeah, just as I was saying I need to stop, I literally ran out of space to record, so the camera knew what I was doing. But that is the last item anyway, so let us reflect on the whole of this pink parcel. Is it good? Personally, I like it. You know I love anything with a high value. I guess I am materialistic that way. I do like it when it's got a nice high value and they are things I'm going to use. The good thing about having another magnetone is when I first got them I was like, well, this is great, but if you have to wash it every night or maybe once every 2 days depending how much makeup you're wearing, then you're never going to have enough. So being given more and more of these is actually pretty good, because then you've got like one a day, which is lovely. And obviously I enjoy to get my glow on, apparently, looking at my lovely glowing shoulder and my lovely glowing face. So yeah, so personally for me, this is a good box this month. I think that it's great and everyone should try one. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope it was helpful and you enjoyed it, and I will be back next month with another pink parcel, I'm sure, and some more videos coming soon, more unboxings for this month. But until you see me again, I hope you live every moment well and stay cool. Bye guys.